All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.69. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome on a Thursday. How's everybody doing? We're holding on, right? We're holding on. Here we are again, 24 hours later. We're talking about dips in the market again. We came on yesterday a little early because we had big dips happening down below 20 cents. Today, 24 hours later, dips again, but not below 20 cents. Not below 20 cents. So we're going to take a look at that. We're going to talk about what's going on, why a sell-off again, and when is going to be the time to start buying. For those that are waiting, of course, because there's some of you, maybe bears, maybe just those that, oh, I'm going to buy 20. I'm going to wait till it drops to 10. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that. So here we are, another day in Doge land. I was tracking this little kind of double bottom on a short term here because we did have a dip about mid-morning to 20.48. And I was like, yeah, maybe we'll come back and we'll do that. And it was getting close. I was like, okay, little double bottom there. Maybe it's going to move up. Nope, because of stupid Bitcoin. Yep, stupid Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin came all the way down to where it was 24 hours ago, down here at 82.5. Yes, it hit 82.5 yesterday, and then today came down and hit 82.6. Yeah, pretty much a double bottom right there for Bitcoin, but not Doge. Doge did not drop as far as it was yesterday, which is good for Doge. Again, Doge has been outperforming Bitcoin 3 days in a row now because Dogecoin is holding a little better support than Bitcoin. If we zoom out to the 2 hour, we take a look at, well, we were hoping we would get this big V-shaped recovery, right? And then this morning when I was doing my video, I was like, yeah, it's not looking like that's going to happen. I think it's going to be more like that. And I drew this red line kind of coming out sideways, which when you zoom out a bit, you think, okay, it could still come back up and follow that line. That's about 20.8. And instead, we went on a bit more of the same kind of dip that we have been following again and again. So that's kind of overall the kind of the trading that we're seeing. Again, there's other cryptos down worth, like ETH, 22.45. ETH is just dying. Every time we think, oh, ETH making a comeback, ETH. We need ETH to do well to start altcoin season and all that, and ETH just dumps lower. So ETH isn't looking good today, dumping lower. But Doge right now, 20.18. Also, are we going to see sub 20 cent Doge again? That's what we're looking at. And we take a look and it's like, look, fear and greed. Woke up this morning and saw this. Fear and greed, extreme fear. Yes, Bitcoin, fear and greed hit a 10. Hit a 10, which is the extreme fear line. Even worse than yesterday, where it was 21 extreme fear, but now it's in the darker red. But it's like Bitcoin still, $83,000, $84,000 a Bitcoin. I mean, it's not like it crashed all the way down to 20K in its extreme fear. No, it's in the 80s in extreme fear. So that might tell you, maybe we just all reset in the 80s for Bitcoin, and then it turns around. I have a chart to show you on that in just a second. Dogecoin discount. The Dogecoin discount. You guys know exactly why, right? When to start buying. You guys know, right? It's because I said I'm getting paid on Friday, and so I'm not buying until Friday. Yeah, I bought a little yesterday. I had a little buying power left at 20 cents. I bought some. But I said, Friday, I'm getting paid tomorrow. And so the market gods are looking out for me. Again, I saw Matt's comment earlier about, if this house hadn't come on the market and I hadn't bought this house, I probably wouldn't have sold anything. I'd still be sitting on my whole stash and I'd be sweating it out. But the Dogecoin gods are looking out for KrissPax. And now, since I'm going to be buying tomorrow, and I told the Dogecoin gods I'm not getting paid till Friday, and so I'm going to start buying on Friday, the Dogecoin gods are accommodating moi. That's not really happening. That's just a joke. But I'm going to be one of those guys that's going to say, I'm not going to buy until it goes lower. Well, I'm not going to buy until I have the money to buy more, which just happens to be tomorrow. So I hope it dips tomorrow. And then we can go higher. And then let's go on a big run. Pumping tomorrow confirmed. Exactly, Ryan. Once I buy, then we go. So that's what I'm looking at. But meanwhile, we got somebody else saying when to start buying. And this guy, I've never heard of whoever this guy is, Dave Hunter. Also a crypto analyst like KrissPax, Dave Hunter. He's got a bearish outlook, which he thinks is a more likely scenario for Dogecoin, considering its current market performance and volatility. He thinks it's going to be a little run and then it's going to drop lower all the way down to 12.5 cents. He's saying 12.5 cents. Where did it say that? Right there. Dogecoin price set to retrace to 12.5 discount. 12.5 cents. And I'm like, ooh, I don't know about that. I do not use the words that will never happen. I do not say that's impossible, because anything's possible in crypto. Some people are putting words into my mouth. You said it would never do that. I never say that. That's the time I use never, because I never say that. Because anything's possible in crypto. We don't know. But we do look at the news, support lines, where the trading is, where the fear and greed index is, where the liquidity is, where the RSI is, and we try and make our best educated guess out of that. And I think 12.5 cents is highly unlikely. Let me put it that way. Highly unlikely. Yes, I'm floating in a different realm. Exactly, Lucifer. I don't know. What's the word of the day going to be today, right? We had some doozies yesterday, I'll tell you that. But I'm acknowledging the bears right up front. Acknowledging the bears. Look, Ali says, look, yesterday it was the Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin chart on the TD sequential indicator was flashing a buy signal. And today it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin, ready for a rebound. RSI enters oversold territory, and the TD sequential flashes a buy signal on the daily chart. There's a buy signal for Bitcoin. Now, these things are not 100% accurate, and we know our friend Ali tends to flip-flop, right? Dogecoin open interest crashes over $3 billion since January. Will the bloodbath continue? This is an interesting article on the Bitcoinist, because we've talked about open interest. Ali certainly showed it. Hey, when things are going good, people are trading, people are using leverage, whatever. But now we start seeing like all of this down action. And after all of the liquidations, it's no wonder the open interest has fallen off, because traders are getting weary. The traders, not like you and me, right? We're the hodlers. We're the ones who buy and hold. Although some of you do a little swing trading here and there. But me, I see what's happening. It's like, I should have sold the 400,000 Dogecoin too, right? Should have sold all that at 30 cents and then bought back in at 20. I didn't know that was going to happen, right? Nobody knew that. Nobody really predicted that. Oh, somebody will say, I predicted it. Get your own YouTube channel and let's show me your charts. this guy's saying 12.5. So if Dave Hunter is correct at 12.5 cents, he can say, see, I told you so. I've been telling you, man. I've been telling you. Okay, well, he's put it into writing. He's telling me. So we get through all this negative stuff, and then this Bitcoin article goes and says, but the $1 target is still in play despite the downtrend. So there we go, right? It's like, yeah, doom and gloom, right? 12.5 cents. But wait, $1 Dogecoin is still in play. That's how Dogecoin is. People just can't help themselves, right? People just can't help themselves. Of course, this is our friend Alan, Trader Tardigrade. We showed this yesterday. Same pattern as the 2017 bull run, blah, blah, blah. So that's still in play. We got our friend, this is Satoshi Flipper here, who's showing this big macro falling wedge and saying, well, this is just pointing to a breakout for Doge. It's just pointing to a breakout. Because what could this falling wedge actually be part of? Guys, look at this. The bear trap. It's the bear trap, guys. The momentum builds. We get this sentiment extreme beginning of December, right? Right after that big run, 48-cent Doge. And then we've been in a downtrend since there. Is this the classic bear trap? Right here. 20-cent bear trap from 48-cent extreme. With all of this to come still. That's what happened in 2017. Same thing. And it could be for Bitcoin as well. Classic bear trap. Institutional interest is exploding. Retail sentiment is depressed. Do not get shaken out. We could have us a bear trap, guys. This could be the biggest bear trap. Dogecoin bought users to Bitcoin. Now institutions will take Bitcoin to $1 million, says David Gokhshtein. But he is recognizing Dogecoin and what Dogecoin's role has been, particularly back in 2021, but could it also repeat in 2025 when Dogecoin starts going on a run and all the world knows more about Dogecoin, get a bunch of new people coming in, buying Doge, and eventually they'll also buy some Bitcoin, find out more about crypto and all of that. So we got that going on. And then finally, just for fun, because you never know, right? I mean, the world is crazy, right? We've got the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, right? Who saw that coming? But now we've got the U.S. House Democrats, because the Democrats love Donald Trump. They're introducing something called the Meme Act. The meme, yeah, guys, I got the Meme Act. It's the Meme Act, guys. Because they don't like the Trump token, Trump coin, meme token, whatever. The Meme Act to prohibit the president, the vice president, members of Congress, senior executive branch officials and their spouses, and dependent children from issuing, sponsoring, or endorsing a security, future, commodity, or digital asset. Now, I don't know what this means for something that's already created, like the Trump token. It's already out there, and the Melania thing is out there. But now they're saying they're going to prohibit these things. I mean, it's too late for Trump and Melania. They're already out there. But they're trying to get ahead of the next Trump and Melania, right? The JD Vance token, right? The JD token. The Nancy Pelosi token. Kind of interesting. Kind of interesting. Anyway, it's a Democrat-led thing. Republicans own the House and the Senate, probably won't pass. It'll be interesting to see what actually is in the proposed meme act and what it says. I mean, there's also a lot of talk about banning people in Congress from trading stocks because, the Pelosi portfolio and all of that, right? And all of the other rich people like Elizabeth Warren, on a $200,000 a year salary, how are they now worth like $12-20 million? How do they do that? Anyway, thought that was interesting. We will follow that. Looks like Bitcoin is starting to recover during the KrissPax live stream, which means, of course, Dogecoin also starting to recover during the KrissPax live stream because that's what we like. We like green candles. Just a word of note before we get into the chat. I'm expecting a phone call probably around 5 o'clock. So if I go on mute, well, you'll hear the phone because I have the ringer on. And I do have to take a call that's going to come in because somebody needs something from me. And they're going to call. And I just wanted to let you guys know up front, I'm not totally ignoring you, but I'm letting you know up front that there is an important call I do have to take. So life goes on, right? Life goes on. It's crazy sometimes that way. Hey, there we go. Come on. Green candle. Let's go. KrissPax is live. NASDAQ got killed today. NASDAQ got killed. 2 3/4%. It ended on a big red candle. Boy, it just fell off the table this afternoon, didn't it? I guess they don't like Trump and Starmer either, right? I didn't watch any of that. I saw some people mentioning it in the chat there, but yeah, it looks like stocks took a bit of a hit in the afternoon here. What did S&P 500? Yep, same. Took a hit this afternoon. So yeah, I guess all the markets were kind of going down this afternoon here. So, but Bitcoin is coming back now over 84K, and Doge coming back up over 20.4. So we will definitely watch that. It's Elon, exactly. Blake, I'm waiting for an Elon Musk phone call. I actually have him on speed dial. Put an endless loop of the Doge song. Wait, hold on. Elon says hi. To all you guys, Elon says hi. I should have put this on.
All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge.
You guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Oh my God. What a seed phrase. Yeah, it was Elon. He says hello. Yep, you got to dance when you hear that, right, Bruce? You got to dance. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. How's everybody doing? Are we holding on? We got a big green candle happening now. Trying to get going up. Bitcoin just hit 84, now 83.8. So we'll be keeping our eyes on Bitcoin and what's going on. We will be watching that. Calling about my car's extended warranty. Right? How about that extended warranty? Miss KrissPax, get off the computer. Oh my God, yes. Mert, yep, you were right. We were talking about you yesterday. Somebody said, where's Mert? Where's Mert? Mert, I took profits. I took profits. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? And now I'm sitting in the new house. So there you go. Took profits, bought a house. You missed all of that. And now I'm going to start buying in tomorrow. Good day, Coy. How are you? You can't not love Kriss. Exactly. Love that double negative, Harry. It was actually Miss KrissPax. It was her fault. She said, we're going to buy this house. And I said, okay. It's a pretty nice house, though. The investors called to request the Doge intro song again. It was the Ferrari. Yeah. They're setting up the time to deliver the Ferrari. Oh my God. Is the dancing Doge random, or do you control that? I control when the song comes on, but the AI made the video. Is that what you mean? Hey, Henning, how are you? Where's the Pax cat, Hamid? I don't know. I don't know where he is. He'll join. He always comes now. So we'll see when he comes. Get a Yugo. So the 4-year cycle, Milkman, that's all based on a couple things. The Bitcoin halving is every 4 years. That's just how it works out. So there's less Bitcoin coming in to the miners, which is bullish. We have the US presidential election, generally bullish, which again, we saw in November, right? Markets took off when Trump won. But in 2020, I mean, the markets took off when Biden won. So that's just how it works. And then we also have the global money supply, which has kind of been in these 4-year cycles since 2008, because we had the big market crash, that financial crash in 2008. Every 4 years now, we've had this global money supply increase. 2012, 2016, 2020, and 2024. has been delayed because of the inflation, and now it's pushing into 2025, still to come, we believe. So that's the 4-year cycle, and crypto responds to it. It's the tax man. Yeah, the tax man called me. No, the tax man will call and they won't book a time ahead of time, right? They're just going to pound on the door. Pax Cat has a secretary. Yeah. His own YouTube channel. Gambling, Kevin? Yeah, I mean, you can say buying stocks in the stock market is gambling, right? It's the same thing, just a little more volatile, a little more risky in crypto. I don't know. Nope, not going to get an MTV Cribs tour. This is what you see right here. This is it. What if Dogecoin total supply market cap are equal? Total supply and market cap are equal. Then Doge is $1, right? 146 billion Dogecoin, $146 billion market cap. Doge is $1. Does it become a stable coin then? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'd like to see what happens there. I'm waiting for that. The Doge that pops out on the charts on TradingView is random, but it's the only crypto on TradingView that has a feature like that. It's just Dogecoin. Kriss bought his house making Pax Cat videos. Yes, I have a secret channel, a cat video channel, that makes a ton more money than this. Is the bull run over? Or is it just the beginning? No, we're in the middle. If we're following anything close to 2017, we're in the middle. It's just a longer extended period between the two runs. That's what I see. Am I right? Timothy Stebbing is going to share some of the partnerships in March. Yes. That's what he said. So I'm expecting it. I'm expecting it to happen. And he's been replying to a lot of tweets on X, just giving out little bits of more information. If you haven't heard, do follow me and look through my posts on Such Pay and Doge Connect, and Timothy Stebbing has been replying. And you can just go to his channel and you look at his replies and you can follow what he's been doing and what he's been saying. So he hasn't given out any of the partnerships yet, but he is talking about Such Pay, Doge Connect, a little more how it works under the hood. That's all there. So do check that out. I have an only Doge account. You saw some articles talking about the M2 money on the rise. See? It's in these cycles. This cycle, it's just been a little bit delayed. So that's usually what it is, Ryan. Exactly. You were buying since 2020. So then what do you hear complaining about? I don't know, dude. You've been buying since 2020, yet you're complaining about others. I don't know. I don't know. Are you holding? What did you do? I'll bet you say, oh, I sold in December, like a bunch of other idiots. Oh, well, life is a gamble. Yeah, he showed up in the wrong live stream. Did everybody like and subscribe yet? Thank you, Sally. Did everybody like and subscribe? It's up for me to save the crypto market. Yeah, I'm going to start buying tomorrow. I'm rebuying tomorrow. Doge goes to $1, I'm retired. Yeah. Yeah, Trump is kind of being wishy-washy. Is it March? Is it April? Is it March? I don't know what's going on. Can I write a letter to Trump to tell him to stop the tariffs? It's ruining the crypto market. Yeah, let me write a letter. Do you have a stamp? Oh, God. Hey, Kristen, we need you to sell your house for cash and buy Dogecoin. Just buy back in. Would have made a lot of money if I can sell the house for profit as well. The tax man's going to come calling, though. He's going to want his piece. Tax man. Yes, we talked about this, Monica, the other week, that I do think that Ethereum changing to proof of stake has really changed Ethereum and what it is. All the miners are gone, and ETH is just being suppressed. That was a big deal. That was a big deal. Hi, Raul. How are you? The banana. I don't know. Raul Paul's banana is still kind of not there yet. We're waiting for that banana to show up. Like and subscribe. I don't look at tokens on the ETH chain, Shemi. I got to get money back. Got to. Malzipar, I hope it works out for you. Life is too short not to gamble. And if I wouldn't have taken that risk 2 years ago, buying in at the bottom of the market, I wouldn't be sitting in this house right now. So there's something to say there. Now, what can you do about it now? That's a different story. And we're talking about that, trying to eke out what we can at the end of this bull cycle, still thinking that we're in 4-year cycles. I'm still going to buy now. Like I said, I'll buy March into April probably. Let's see what the market does. And then that might be it. And I won't be buying. We'll see what the summer does. If there's a big dip in the summer, we have a summer swoon again. Maybe September timeframe, like beginning of September, might buy some more. We'll see how that plays out. Depends on what the news is, what's going on with Doge, this whole Doge Connect and Such Pay and these partnerships. I mean, that could be a big deal. We're still waiting to see how that plays out. Dogecoin still looking good, Chad says. Out of all the coins, I got my most invested into Bitcoin and Doge. And that's going to be the bulk of my portfolio going forward too. It's just going to be Bitcoin and Doge. They're talking about Fartcoin last night. Of course they are. Fartcoin. Of course. That's funny. I need to sell my stock in Budweiser. The only stock of Budweiser I have is the Bud that's sitting in my fridge. Fashionably late. You made it. Oh, you're the new Harry. That's right. Would you like to know about cryptocurrency? Maybe Doge can be the new ETH. Exactly. As I've been saying, and I've been saying this for months, I think there's going to come a time when miners are going to be more profitable mining Dogecoin than Bitcoin. And we are going to see a huge increase in the hash rate on Doge. And Doge mining is going to become a big thing. I think that's coming. No, Sally's Dream. Citadel isn't buying Bitcoin. They want to get in the market making. That's what they want. They want to form partnerships with exchanges, become market makers, so they can liquidate your ass also and get in on that. It's all about the market making. Squeeze out the shorts, liquidate the long. Citadel wants to play that game in crypto. You know what they're most known for? They're most known for shorting the hell out of stocks. Remember GameStop 2021? Remember that? Citadel. They were behind all that. You think you like Citadel? No, you don't. You don't like Citadel. You don't like Citadel. If you're a retail trader, you do not like Citadel. And now they want to get in on the crypto game. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Go to the store, buy some bananas. There you go. Hey, wait a sec. Hold on, just a second. Just a second. I thought I had a banana left. I ate it. I already ate it. I thought I had one left. Didn't. Caffeine bought some Litecoin today. Litecoin. A house is overrated. However, you got to live somewhere, right, Mert? You got to live somewhere. And we've been waiting a long time. And now here we are. So, and in Boston, houses just continue to appreciate. Bitcoin goes through bear markets. Houses, not in Boston. There's no bear market for real estate. Do you have a house from buying bottom of market with crypto? Thank you, young folk. There are many who still don't know. Yeah, what about your ADA way? Cardano not looking great, 63 cents. Just pretty weak there. Pretty weak. No, the Trump UK thing, I don't think that's a big deal. I'm in the new house, Sunhawk. This is it. Still unpacking. Buy scratch tickets. Wait, I'm just going to buy scratch tickets. I have no idea what's going to happen with Cardano. I mean, Charles Hoskinson just keeps blabbing away about all these things, and they just don't happen. Oh, we can just have people tell us in the chat. Tell us in the chat, where are you from? We will do a world view. Where is everybody right now? Tell me what country you are in right now in the chat. Let's see the world view of the KrissPax live stream. Where in the world are you? By country. Germany, Philippines, Switzerland, Norway. That'd be USA for Craig and DB and Rawl and Brian. Texas is a country. Yeah. The middle of nowhere, Connecticut. Holland, Lithuania, Croatia, Canada, Cyprus, Norway, another Norway, Sweden, Mert, Nigeria. You serious about that, Mert? Nigeria? Bosnia. Planet Earth. London, Ireland. Nice. Spain. Raiden, you're everywhere. You're the world traveler. Yeah, a lot of Norwegians here. Nice. I'll see. Good morning to you, Charles. Area 51. Yeah, this is pretty cool. All over the world. Welcome, everybody. A Latvian. Awesome. Nice to have everybody here from around the world just talking about Dogecoin, crypto. Prince Mert, sure. You just need to change your name to Prince Mert, and we'll call you Prince. Oh. We have the world in the chat. Hello around the world. Exactly, Adam. Isn't that nice? That's very nice. I can't wait to visit Norway. That's my heritage from 150 years ago. Great-grandparents came over from Norway. Doge mining is it's going to be the summer. I can't get into it right now, but it'll be the summer. Did I sell? I sold some on February 1st. Still holding the rest. Yeah, we don't need a Vaughn, Sally. We just had a Kevin. We just had a Kevin, and we survived Kevin. Yeah, I'm coming in the summer. I'm coming in the summer so I can be drinking at 10 o'clock at night and it's still being light outside. That's what I want to do. Your great-grandparents came from Italy? See, we can all just get along. It's really Dogecoin bringing us all together, right? It's crypto bringing the world together. None of this politics stuff, right? I didn't see the Dogbird duck. Dojobert? No. Prices on miners are going to come down. Yeah, we'll start looking at it over the summer. We'll see what's going on. But I think in the summer, again, things will cool off. And we've done it for 3 years in a row. So I'm looking at the summer. We are at extreme fear and extreme poor at the same time. For those that didn't see, I mean, that's what I woke up to this morning. A 10. Extreme fear on the fear and greed index, a 10. Isn't that amazing? Where last month we were up at 72 greed, and now we're all the way down to 10. Extreme fear. It's like, wow. Nobody predicted this, guys. Nobody predicted this for February. People get mad at me, and I'm just like, guys, this is unprecedented. This is the worst February ever for Dogecoin. Top script miner, like 15K. I'm going to start doing it. Chaos. I'm going to start doing it this summer. We're going to start going through the whole thing. I've been a little busy. So all my money was in the market to get the house. Now we will work on the next step, which is going to be Dogecoin mining. Jumping into a pool of gold coins like DuckTales. Pedro, thanks you. Yep. Everybody got their Doge on the giveaways. Everybody got their Doge. More giveaways will be coming. Not today, though. We're not doing it. Oh, and now everybody leaves. Oh, no giveaway. I'm leaving. Ugh. Rigged. Exactly. Giveaway, rigged. You would deposit cash in your bank to buy more Doge, but I don't want my account to get marked. My Bank of America account worked great with Coinbase and Robinhood. Many flows out, and then big flows back into Bank of America to buy the house. Those were big transfers coming back. And Bank of America was cool with it. I don't worry about an EMP wiping my ledger. Again, this device here, there's no crypto on this. You do know that, right, John? There's no crypto on the ledger. Do you guys, do the rest of you know that too? The crypto is not on the ledger. No. Wallets don't hold crypto. The ledger holds little apps that actually point to the blockchain where my so-called crypto, my blocks are located. That's what this does. And if this got wiped out, if this got run over by a car or I dropped it in the ocean, it wouldn't matter as long as I had the seed phrase. Because I can always start a new wallet, recover, right, with my seed phrase, and all of my crypto will be there. But it's not on the wallet. They're just apps, and the apps just point to the blockchain where my hash strings reside that are my hash strings. That's all this is. I don't need this. As long as I have the seed phrase, obviously I don't want to waste $70, right? If I lost this, I'd have to pay $70 for a new ledger wallet. But I could open it in a different wallet too. It doesn't have to be a ledger. Again, it's a wallet, crypto wallet. It's got a seed phrase. I could get a Tangent wallet and use that instead. Doesn't matter. That's what this is. This is just a pointer is all this is really. It's just a pointer. It says those hash strings belong to this guy. That's what a wallet is. So, yeah, see, you come here and you learn something. All the lawsuits being dropped. I know. That's all good news, right? You would think. Good news. Is it the worst February for other coins as well? Well, we can see, I know I can go to CoinGlass and I can look at the ETH chart because I know they have that. So let's take a look at that. Because I know they have the monthly chart for ETH. I got to find where it is real quick. ETFs, blah, blah, blah. Here, let me just do it in, I'll just use Mr. Google here. Ethereum monthly chart. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I know they've got, I know CoinGlass has it. I want monthly. Here, I'll just force it. There we go. Ethereum futures, funding rate history. God, I don't want funding rate. Spot ETF crap. I don't know why they just don't go right to the page. Here we go. Monthly. There's Bitcoin monthly. Down 17%. Its all-time worst was 2014, down 31%. It's the second worst February in Bitcoin history. Second worst. Ethereum quarters, but not monthly. Wow. They don't have the monthly for ETH. I got to find a good place to look at that. I know it's not there. Does investing have it? They're not going to show me in a nice chart, I know. Yeah, they just do that daily crap. That's not good. Monthly. I'm not finding it on the monthly chart. Oh, well. I'll get back to you on that one. I have 1 day left to make predictions. Hey, 40-cent Doge. That was it, right? 40-cent Doge. You bought a whole Bitcoin yesterday at 83K. Great, Mert. I think you'll do very well with that Bitcoin. I still think Dogecoin will outperform Bitcoin, but my Dogecoin that I'm going to buy tomorrow is going to outperform your Bitcoin you bought yesterday. I'm saying that right here, right now. But we'll see. It can happen tonight. Everybody buy Doge, 40 cents. Yeah, I no cloud mining, Vance. It's getting marketed way too much. It just seems fishy to me. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. Christoph is looking at 82.42. 82.42. I mean, there's leverage all over the place. But yeah, there's that one right there, right? 82.42. 82.424 right there. Yep. $51 million just sitting right there, ready to get picked off. I see it. There it is. That's a new leverage too. What's my next dream I want to achieve? So it's going to be mining, right? So I want to get a miner, at least one, and then we'll see how it goes. So that's this summer. So I want to make enough between now and the summer to get a script miner, and I want to merge mine Doge and Litecoin. So, and we will we'll go through that together. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I know, Braden, exactly. No giveaway. Bye. I'm just here for the off-rig. Blake's going to join the mining club. I'm telling you, Dogecoin's going to be the place to be. Thank you, Charles. After Kriss visits Norway, he'll want to buy a house here too. I need to. Oh, so there it is. That's my goal. It's a second house. Maybe Stebbing will come out tomorrow. I think it's going to be still a couple weeks away, but we'll see. If your ledger has 63,000 Dogecoin, it isn't on it, right? It's right wherever, but yes. And then Robinhood says you have 231, then yeah, you add them together. Exactly. That's how much you got. Oh, green candles going up. I tell you, once I go live, it's like, let's go. Let's go. That's not bad. What's it going to take for big green candles? The catalyst, the big news, Darren. That's how Dogecoin works. It needs the big news, the big hype for the big green candles. That's when you want to be in Dogecoin, is when that happens. You don't want to be monkeying around doing swing trading and all that, because then when Doge takes off and you're in the middle of a swing trade and your Doge is not there because you're sitting on cash waiting for the big dip to buy in lower, right? That's the big risk. It's been down a month. Entire stock market has been down a month. Yep. All the markets have been down. Yep. But people still want to say Dogecoin is dead. It's like, do you see what's going on? The ledger it is a thumb drive. Yes, it's like a thumb drive, exactly. But it's got a little more in it. It's more than just a thumb drive. It's got a little screen on it, got some buttons on it, stuff you can interact with it. And you work it through Ledger Live. When? Craig wants to know. When is the big run-up going to happen? Boy, I wish I knew. Sunshine, cheers to you and Jill. Shout out to Jill for putting up with Sunshine. Rigged. What does March look like after the worst February? I know. Well, Saturday, I'm going to make that video. I don't know what I'm going to say yet, but Saturday, that's coming. What does March look like historically? We can look at that. For Dogecoin, what does March look like? Well, last March, we were up 87%. 2023 down 4, up 3 in 2022, 2021 up 11, 2020 down 18, 19 up 6, 2018 big bear market year down 53, but 2017 up 59, and that was after 2 red months in January and February. So this is what I was pointing to the other day. Was 2017, March up 59, April up 124, and then May up 256%. Could we have a March, April, and May that looks like that? I'm saying it's like Dogecoin's not dead. We have seen before, and in fact, it was 8 years ago where we were down January, February, and then took off for 3 consecutive months. That can happen. If we get a 50% March, then we're up over 30 cents. Many of you will say, oh, only 30 cents. And I'm just like, it'd be a 50% month. That's pretty good. In fact, that might be my prediction, 50%. Get back to 30 cents. SEC says meme coins are generally not securities under federal law. Yeah. Because there's no, what do they call it? No expectation of profit. However, we're buying Dogecoin because we think we're going to profit from it. But that's generally what they're saying is. And there's no work going on to make a profit, not like buying a stock. I'm buying what I can, Mert. Again, I just bought this. So, ride on real estate with no mortgage, all cash. What I meant by that statement is if you had put $83,000 into Dogecoin, you would make more money than putting in $83,000 and buy 1 Bitcoin. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. And we can go to the Doge BTC trading pair and we can say, okay, we are at 00245 right now. Okay? 00245. So how long do you want this to go before we compare? Want to go 1 year? Want to say 1 year from today? I'll say it. 1 year from today, the Doge BTC trading pair will be higher than this in a year. And it's been going up, as Dogecoin has been outperforming Bitcoin here for the last 3 days. So we got that going on. Hey, there's the dancing Doge. Just comes out of nowhere. Chain Wizard bought some Doge. Your first buy ever. Coming off a 70,000 loss, but now you're in the Doge game. Wow. Love it. You got wrecked on smaller memes. Well, live and learn, right? Live and learn. So this cycle is not the norm and unexpected. The summer could be a toss-up also. Yes, Blake. There's no guarantees. But I'm still looking at history and the trends. I haven't even started looking yet, Derek, at miners. Again, it's something we're all going to do together. We'll do the research together. We'll see what's out. I'll get input, all of that. I just don't have time to do that yet. Miner / HITA. Yeah, it's a HITA. We got a HITA here in Boston. It's a HITA. I could say miner. Miner. Got to get a Doge miner. Yeah, well, we will go through the process. I mean, what else are we going to do during the summer, right? A lot of sideways, slow, low volume trading, most likely. How does the Doge mining affect the Doge price? Well, it helps support it. The more miners that are competing for the rewards and the hash rate goes up, it helps support the price. I'll have to stay live as long as there's green candles, but we're getting a little red one right now, so I'm saved. How high? That's a good question, Yili. I don't know. I mean, if Doge is back up to 40 cents, am I still buying Doge? Probably not. You Google crypto news daily, and you can tell the world is gearing up for a blockchain takeover, including Dogecoin. Yeah, this has been the Trump effect on the markets. That's what it's been the past month and a half. It hasn't been good so far. Isn't Tim giving us the names of the companies? Next week or week after? I don't know exactly when. You've got the Tangem? I'm happy with my ledger. I hear Tangems are good. I just don't have one, so I haven't tried it. No, Tom. See, here's how crypto works. Crypto trades on the hype, right? Crypto trades on the fear. The actual event doesn't do anything. That's how crypto trades. When the tariffs are imposed, it's already priced in. We already had the dump on the fear. It's not going to dump again. That's how cryptos trade. Exactly, RR. That's how you start the news, right? Rumor. The big run-up will start Wednesday next week. No facts behind it. No sources. Nothing. You just say it. And it's a rumor. Or you just say, I think we're about to go up. No, what's on a ledger is not Robinhood, because Robinhood has its own. It keeps all of its coins on its own wallets, so you don't have a wallet on Robinhood that holds or points to anything. I moved the 20,000 Doge I bought yesterday to my ledger. Confirmations took a while, but there it is. That's why Dogecoin is so much easier. Like the MyDoge wallet, it happens like that. So much easier. But MyDoge wallet is a soft wallet. It's an app on your phone. And so it's less secure than a ledger. It's less secure. No one's hacked my MyDoge wallet. I have two-factor authentication on both the phone and the app. So, and it's a pain to have to like punch your numbers in every time. All that, that's okay. I'll do that for security. But the MyDoge wallet resolves in less than a minute. Everything, every transfer is done. The only delayed transfers, like when I was sending out, the Doge to the winners of the giveaways, is on their side. If they've got a wallet that's slow, it's not on MyDoge. But on MyDoge, if both sides have a MyDoge wallet, that transfers like that. Done. Over 80% chance if you're red in March, you're red in February. Yeah, but 2017 was the difference. I'm betting on 2017. Red February, green March. March couldn't get any worse. Yeah, again, the tariff thing. I'm serious. I think it's all priced in because of the fear. And when it actually happens, it's not going to cause it to dump again. Raw, exactly. They're overreacting. When the actual thing hits, when the actual outcome comes, everyone will be like, that was actually a good thing. Most of this is all getting riled up from the left. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, such pay, all kinds of things. Show him the 5 years. Yeah, he knows. Yeah, but my altcoin does outperform Bitcoin Mert again and again and again. Sold all my Doge, looking to buy in after March 4th. All right, Tom, good luck with that. We don't know what's going to happen, but it sounds like you have a conviction for next Thursday. So yeah, we'll see where Doge is. You sold at 28 cents. I'm not selling until $10. Doge started alt season 4 years ago. Yes, 2021, that was all Doge. And that was all thanks to Wall Street bets, the big run on the shorters. That got it all going. 2017, I think, was more ETH. So, yep. Tyler, way more bullish on Doge price holding than XRP. I know. I don't know what to say. XRP, I mean, there's a lot of people getting paid by Ripple, XRP, or something to pump it. Dogecoin doesn't have that. I don't get paid from Dogecoin to talk about Doge. I just love it. There's nowhere for that to come from. There's no money. There's no company behind it. Totally decentralized cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. Yeah, Sally, on 2021 to 2017, we've talked about it before. It's just 2021 just was the incredible hype that happened with Elon, and this whole GameStop, reaction. That isn't going to happen again. So many are looking back to 2017 chart, and actually the trading is mimicking 2017 much more closely. So that's why. Yeah, Tom, I mean, you can't say coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? So all you can do now is, what am I going to do now? And if you sold a little lower and you're waiting on a swing trade, good luck. 2021 also had the stimmy checks, and a lot of people sitting at home bored. That too. It was a different time. Eric got his Doge. Congratulations, Eric. I didn't pay them to say that, guys. Dogecoin has outperformed Bitcoin. Over the last 12 months, Dogecoin has outperformed Bitcoin by a lot. Over the last 12 months. Look it up. Now, if you compare it to certain dates in time when Bitcoin went extremely high and Dogecoin didn't, you can always play that game. But historically, over time, Dogecoin outperforms Bitcoin. They're posting BlackRock everywhere. Right. So that means, TAS, that ETFs had outflows. So a lot of people buying the ETFs sold. And so now BlackRock has to sell the underlying Bitcoin. That's what that means. BlackRock isn't just selling Bitcoin. No. The people who bought the ETFs have been selling the ETFs. So now BlackRock needs to sell the underlying Bitcoin. That's what that means. Trump wants the price of Bitcoin to go down so he can buy it cheap for the Bitcoin reserve. Well, that would be a heck of a story, wouldn't it? If it went that deep. I don't know. Steak and Shake got RFK'd. I don't know what Steak and Shake does, but there's going to be a lot of that coming, though. We want to get healthier. We absolutely have to get healthier. Bobby's going to do it. Epstein files are out. Awesome. That's going to be all over the place tonight, isn't it? God. They're going to slow roll it, though. That's what I heard. It's not all coming out at once. Yeah, I think it's going to take months, Matt, for the whole thing to play out. It's going to be months. It's pain at first, shock to the system, and eventually it's going to be like, oh yeah, we've reduced the debt. Oh yeah, we're balancing the budget. Oh yeah, this is actually pretty good. It's going to take a while. The McDonald's hiring team is here, guys. Who needs a job? Who needs to make some money? Even you can serve fries like Donald Trump. Yeah, we zoom out, T. We zoom out every once in a while. It's just during a live stream. When you're sitting on the monthly chart, it doesn't do anything. We like to actually see these candles move during a live stream. But yeah, we go out. We go out to the daily. We go out to the weekly. We've been charting all of this. Go out to this is just on Doge. We go out to the weekly. We see what's going on. We go back to November. Yeah, all those big green candles. Huge pullback. The pullback now is lower than where we were back in March 2024. Yeah, we saw all of that. The monthly, haven't looked at that in a while. Haven't looked at the monthly in a while. I don't know what there really is to learn on the monthly chart. I really don't. Dogecoin was a completely different thing back in 2021. But the weekly makes sense to look at, because that shows you the whole summer swoon that happened, where I identified a gift buying Dogecoin at 9 cents right there. Just 8 months ago, you could have been buying Dogecoin at 9 cents. You'd still be up and you'd feel even better about yourself. But no, some of you had to buy up here, 48, 47 cents. A lot of people calling for, 10-cent Doge, 12.5-cent Doge, 15-cent Doge. Isaiah, if you're scared, you shouldn't have bought Dogecoin in the first place. Seriously. Crypto's not for you if you get scared. I'm on Android and I'm not seeing my Doge wallet available. On MyDoge? I don't know what app you're on. MyDoge app unavailable in my app store. However, I can access it on my PC. That could be a state-by-state thing. I don't know. My MyDoge app works fine. You sold a Model 3 and a Tacoma to buy Dogecoin. Wow. So you're riding the bus, I guess, right? You're a bus rider. Kilmar, I understand that the markets went down to liquidate, but wouldn't they want the buying price to be high when large adoptions start happening? I don't think they think long-term like that, Kilmore. The exchanges and the market makers just want to wipe out the leverage because they don't profit as much if the leverage trades win. That's all. There's never a bad time to buy Dogecoin, Eric, except on the big green candles. That's when you don't buy. That's what I say. But on the red candles, has Mert lied before? Ryan, that's a good question. Yes, he has, actually. He did say in a chat some months ago, I lied. I do remember that. You remembered, Ryan. See, I rely on you for that stuff. You're really good at that. Patience, exactly. Hi, Charlotte. Welcome. I'm doing well. Very busy week this week. A lot going on, but I'm here for everybody. We're getting through this, trying to figure out what this crazy Dogecoin chart is going to do going forward. One more day left in February on a Friday, and then we go into March. The new home is Goodkins. Thank you. We're enjoying it very much. Taking a long time to unpack, trying to get things right, because, I mean, we're busy. We got a lot to do. We're getting there. The FUD from the Bybit hack is over because, you know, Benju was really smart. Just immediately took out loans to make sure that all the crypto that people holds is there, and there was no run. There was no run on the exchange. That was pretty smart. And now they're offering bounties for people who are tracking those coins and can prove where they are, because they're going to try and recover. Yeah, there's some of that. I agree. Trump convinces himself that's a good idea and then just pushes it. I agree. Yeah, I'm not looking at Mert's chat anymore. He's just going to keep blabbing the same thing, and I'm just like, whatever. Reagan needs a job. Hey, you get one of those gold cards, right? Come on to the U.S., right? All it costs you is $5 million. Takes you to the front of the line for the green card. Front of the line. Come on over. I'll give you a place to stay for a while. Come to Boston. It's not too far, you know. It's not too far. But you got to have $5 million to get you that gold card. How do we see Doge? It's just a currency. It's not gold. It's not silver. It's a currency. That's it. Will Doge get back to 48 cents? I would like to think so. Raiden at a beauty salon. Yes. We got to see that. We got to see Raiden working at a beauty salon. That's awesome. A Big Mac would be real nice right now. Oh, God, really? Oh, Big Macs. Everybody wants their hair dyed. Let's all get Dogecoin yellow hair. Do you have that color, Charlotte? Dogecoin yellow? Doge has never double topped on the monthly with wicks and not gone deep. I don't worry about that. Botox. Need my nails. Can you do like little Dogecoin heads on nails? Can you do that? Yeah, you either buy a Big Mac or you buy Doge. Okay, I'll click on that one, Mert. You bought one Doge at 12 cents. Do you still have it, though? That's the question. You see Doge down, you buy more. You don't get scared. 20.5 cents. Still outperforming Bitcoin. 4th day in a row. Ryan will take the Botox. The stream needs more likes. It sure does. You guys are getting bored. You're welcome, Matt. That's what everyone thinks. The Lazarus Group out of North Korea did the Bybit hack. Yep. Does the gold card have a +1? I don't know, Raiden. I don't know exactly how that works. I think you have to come on the card, and then once you're here, then you can bring over the +1. Something like that. Mert just bought another Dogecoin at 20.5 cents. Wow, big spender. Is Walmart still offering the bonus for truckers? Yeah, I haven't heard that. But you got to already have one of those licenses, right? Those CDL licenses. You already have to have that to be a trucker. If you don't, then you got to go to school. It takes like a month to be able to then take the driver's exam to get the commercial driver's license, that CDL. You don't just start driving a truck the next day. Get married to Kriss, get a green card, and then invest the saved $5 million in Doge instead. Oh God. Will the price of Dogecoin miners go up as the value of Doge goes up? Good question. I would think so. I would think the more the volume of trading on Dogecoin is, and the more the price goes up, the price of miners also goes up. That is true. And of course, we also have inflation and like all that stuff going on. Tariffs, depending on where they're coming from. Yeah. It's not going to be cheap getting into it. Hey, Anthony, how are you? I should replace Elon? No, no way. Elon's getting death threats. I don't want death threats. Retail thinking mining is profitable is usually a top signal. Some of us, though, just want to do it to support Dogecoin. I already know I'm not going to make money on it. I'm doing it as a project to support Dogecoin. I'm in one of the highest energy cost places in America. It's in Boston. Because we don't have coal plants here. We don't have a nuclear plant here. All of our power comes from other states, and we've got these huge transport charges to get power here. We pay for that. It's way too expensive. I'm not going to make money mining Dogecoin unless I mine a bunch of Dogecoin and the Dogecoin price goes way up. I'll make money on the price of the Dogecoin that I mine, but not mining itself. No. But when Dogecoin goes to the moon, that the hash rate's going to go up and there's going to be a lot more competition for mining that Doge. That's going to happen. So yeah. And always one Doge equals one Doge. Thank you, Nick. In the gold rush, the richest people were the guys selling pants and pickaxes. Yeah, hardware gets outdated too. And you know you're buying an asset that's just going to like depreciate away. Miner prices are more based on profits. More miner difficulty goes up, less coins, less profits. My mother-in-law asked me to buy her Doge a month ago. I should have known to sell then. So she owned Doge and she wanted you to buy it from her. Oh. You applied for a Robinhood credit card a month ago. I have no idea. I did not. I did not go for that. Your electric bill stinks. Mine does too, Takoa. Stupid Eversource. Yes, Ryan, it's coming in March. The member stream. The Doge giveaway. Oh, we have visitor. Come on up. Come on up. Pax Cat in the house. Oh, now he's being stubborn. Now he's being stubborn. He would have jumped if I wouldn't have called him up. You still going to come up? Yeah, there you are. Oh, don't be shy. Hey, guys. Pax Cat in the house. Hey, buddy. What did you miss? You're here just in time, Paranormal. It's Pax Cat time. The Pax Cat. Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up? No. Got a little purr action going on. The tax man disguised as the Pax Cat. Oh my gosh. Too much. So how many Doge are in a Bitcoin, huh, Mert? Is that how you're going to do it? All right. That would be a good thing to chart, actually, on a day-by-day basis, right? How many Dogecoin equals 1 Bitcoin? And just see that trend. I mean, the Doge BTC trading pair does the same thing, but not like that. I'd like to see it modified to be that. Actually, how many Doge for 1 Bitcoin? No, I didn't get a Robinhood card. I've got Capital One. A Capital One gets me cash back. What's in your wallet? Give me the Doge. Did Pax Cat sell? Did you sell? Did you sell? Did you sell, buddy? Here's the big screen. There he is. Cat. Ugh. Stubborn. There's the big screen. Pax Cat. Buddy. I know. You don't want to look at the camera. It's like, nope. I just love my dad. I just love my dad. Yeah. Is this the time to invest in Doge? Some may say this is the time. You buy on the dips. Dogecoin was 48 cents. Now it's 20 cents. You get more than twice as many Doge now as you could have 2 months ago. He looks like Milo. How many Pax Cats in a Bitcoin? I like that. No, he's not hungry. We just give him dry food and he just nibbles on it from time to time. Stays healthy, in good shape. We don't do any of that canned stuff no. The tax man loves me, yeah, Campo. He loves the new house. He's got these big windows he can look out. There's lots of squirrels and chipmunks around that we've seen. He likes that. Am I actually as gray? I got some gray on the sides. I think the concert one shows a little more gray than I actually have, but yes, Raiden, thank you very much for the birthday Doge. Yes, I did get it. Thank you. Buddy. You make it hard for me to run a live stream. The architect gray versus the construction worker red. No, I actually wear a white hard hat when I go on job sites. I wear a white hard hat. It's in the back of my car. There was no Dogecoin giveaway. Not today. No giveaway today. I know, I was thinking, Doge yellow, right? Color your hair, but Charlotte doesn't do hair colors. She doesn't offer it. I'd go over to Manchester and get my hair colored. Gray equals wisdom. Thank you. The cat could use some Bitcoin as well. Do you want Bitcoin, buddy? A half black, half white hard hat. Huh, interesting. With the Doge rocket sticker on it. No, mine's just white. Architect white. Nice molding. It's a nice house. It's got all the good stuff in it. All the good stuff. More kitties, better live stream. Hey, he mixes things up a little bit, but he's just like, ugh, come on. Come on, buddy. When you start working for Charlotte, you can dye my hair for a discount. I don't know. Charlotte could be a tough boss. She could be tough. Not let you get away with that stuff. I wouldn't mess with her. Yeah, still wondering what the real story is. Everyone thought carbon monoxide at first, but I guess police today said that the door was open and there were something around. I'm not gonna speculate, but I'll let the police do more investigating and come out with what the real story is. But yeah, very sad. He was in his 90s too. It was like, lived a great life. What do you want, cat? Huh? Here, look at the camera. Say hi to everybody. See, he won't even look at the camera. He's like, no, Dad. No. Ah. No. Thank you, Raul. Got another compliment on my Doge hoodie. The guy said if Doge goes to $1, he's going to be a millionaire. Well, then he's got 1 million Doge. Is this the bottom? Well, you know, we keep looking at it and it's just like, I mean, the signs certainly point to this dip. And when we zoom out, and we look at it, we're like, that was a heck of a dip there. But could it dip more? Sure. It could dip more. And you can trace back lines lower and lower and lower and lower, gaps that could be filled or whatever. But eventually it's going to reach a point where, okay, enough dipping. We're going to go now higher. And that's not happening yet. We were hoping to get this big V-shaped recovery. We drew this yesterday. And then this morning, I drew this red line. It's like, yeah, it's not looking like that recovery. It's going to do more of that. And it dipped below that, but it could come back and overnight maybe just follow it along. We'll see. It's kind of what I'm thinking it's going to happen now. Showing signs of recovery, though. Yes, I'm an architect, Tyler. Made a lot more money in crypto than I did architecting. I'll tell you that. And it's like the last 2.5 years investing in crypto have far outperformed like 20 years of working as an architect. Even more. Yeah, maybe 20 years. Can I take you on a tour of Boston? No, I'm not a tour guide. But if Doge goes to $1, I will be hosting a party in Boston. $1 Dogecoin party. Haven't met the neighbors yet, Ryan. Still been too cold, all the snow and ice and stuff. When it's springtime, everyone will be out. Mert bought Doge. That's the bottom sign. Exactly, Mert. Did I kick you before? I didn't think I kicked you. I kept you around. I might have put you on pause for a while, right? It's all good, Mert. It's all good. I just don't like people coming on my live streams saying I told you so. I don't like that. But I do like to hear your thoughts on like why things are going this way, why it's trading that way. I like that. But the I told you so stuff, I'm not a fan of that. Then I say, go start your own YouTube channel. Don't come on my YouTube channel and tell everybody what you think is going to happen. No. Kitty. Thank you, Susan. We just call him PaxCat on the stream. He has got another name, but yeah, we'll leave that. You think Elon's going to tie Doge and Dogecoin together? I don't know. Is there some big grand plan going on behind the scenes that we don't know about it? Some people are talking about that on X. Like we're going to see Elon like make an appearance, like the House of Doge or something. It's like Elon's in the House of Doge. We'll see. We don't know any of the names behind House of Doge yet. But if that is indeed Elon involved in that somehow, it'd be like, wow. Adam's calling no more dips. Oh, Tyler, congratulations. Twins, huh? Good luck. Good luck with that. Come on, March. Yeah, but I'll do a price prediction video for March and it'll be bullish. And then everyone will jump on me. Oh, Kriss is always wrong. It is what it is. I think I'll actually go to that party. $1 Doge. It's going to be a fun party. 20-cent Doge isn't a bad deal. So you buy one Dogecoin at 20 cents, and you're like, woohoo! I'm also a little busy, yeah, between work and videos and streaming and still unpacking. I got more books on the shelves here, slowly unpacking all the book boxes. And then I got to decide which book on which shelf and what's related. It all takes time because my OCD, I just have to have things a certain way. So yeah, the Doge popcorn emoji is a good one, Deja. Paxius Catechus. Oh gosh. It's better to be lucky than good. Yeah, but it's not always all luck though. Sometimes luck plays a part. Because Matt pointed out earlier on the stream at the beginning, he was like, Kriss, if you hadn't found that house, you would probably sitting there with your full bag of crypto now much lower than where it was when you took your profits. And he's right. So there was a little luck there. it was still skill for me to actually buy when I did, with risk, of course. And I would still be up a lot, just not as much when I actually sold. Right. Yesterday, I told you, you can say I told you so. Bitcoin has not closed that 77 gap yet. Hasn't done it. It's still out there, and there's a lot of people talking about that too. Not just me. I did a full 2025 prediction video on January 1st, and that is still in play. That's still in play. What's going to happen this year? Sell, sell, sell. Buy, buy, buy. All over the place. Bottom didn't hit yet? Well, then no worries. Just dollar cost average. Not a fan of Polygon, Eli. The whole transition from the Matic to Paul, that was handled pretty poorly. And I just don't know of a lot of things that are being built on Polygon. Every once in a while I hear something, I'm just like, and the crypto has just not done well the past year, year and a half. So many other cryptos have done so much better. That doesn't mean you can't make money on it. I just buy Dogecoin. Okay, Anthony, what do you say? Doge and crypto market will not recover anytime soon. Things get murkier and murkier as days go by. No clarity on the horizon with Trump running the show. Well, those are the times when you least expect it. And that's what I look for, is when you least expect it. So, but good point, though. No doubt. Good point. Yeah, that whole thing with the UAE and SHIB, Tyler, if that was a real thing, SHIB would have exploded. It's not. In fact, there is no real SHIB blockchain. SHIB is a token built on Ethereum. They've made this quasi layer 2 thing called Shibarium with code stolen from other open source projects. I mean, look into it and you'll see. It's not real. It's not real. That's SHIB. None of it's real. Somebody made a lot of money on it, but I made a little money. Was it stolen? Was what stolen? I don't know what you're asking, Tyler. Chad is convinced Dogecoin is going to hit $1. And that's the thing. It's timing it, right, Jeff? Because that's how Dogecoin runs. It runs fast. Just losing on SHIB, stupid wannabe dog coin. Now, almost a year ago, SHIB took off and went up to 0.00045, but it wasn't the bull market yet. It hasn't gone back to there yet. Dogecoin's a little less now than it was then, but close, but not SHIB, nowhere near. SHIB's just, there's just nothing going on with SHIB. Wow, the dip on February 2nd, SHIB went really low. Not a lot there. Dogecoin is in the green on the day, up 1.2%. Bitcoin 0.3. So Dogecoin's actually doing a nice recovery right now. For those that bought at 20 cents, I don't know what Mert got, 20.3, maybe 20.2, wherever he bought. You're in the green. I'm not scared of crypto. I'm scared of my wife getting mad at me because the price isn't going up fast enough. Yeah. Miss KrissPax just stays out of it. She's like, whatever makes you happy. Because we have the house now. And she's like, oh, yeah, good job. That's all I got was a good job. Good job. Max Pain theory with option calls. Nope. I have no idea. I don't do option calls, Cohen. So don't know. I like the coin you're holding, though. That's cool. Stable coins. Yes, Travis. Stable coins. And you know what the first thing that the Senate subcommittee on digital assets is going to be talking about? Stable coins. Stable coins. It's like, okay, stable coins. Starship Flight 8. Yes, tomorrow. We're going to be live tomorrow, guys. And we're going to live stream it. SpaceX, Starship 8. See if they use the pinchers and catch it again. We will be live for that. Mert's in the gang. Awesome. Maybe you'll win a giveaway. We gave Anthony Dogecoin and he sold it. He sold it. It's like free Dogecoin and he sells it. Doesn't even wait for the run. He just sells it. Would you do that, Mert? If you were gifted Dogecoin or you won a giveaway and you got free Dogecoin, would you sell it? Yeah, I'm not all on the whole Mars thing like a lot of Dogecoin fans. I'm really not. I'm just like, I mean, it's cool and all, but I get what Elon's talking about, all that, but God. I like the whole idea of space. I like, you know, what certainly what Starlink is all about, because that helps us here, but the whole idea of like humans migrating to Mars, I just can't get my head around that. We can't breathe on the planet. It's just not habitable for humans. But I get it. Just not my thing. Maybe because I'm older, it's not going to happen in my lifetime. So I'm like, whatever. Tyler's up 480% on sheep. Yeah, it's all about when you buy, right? You feel a lot better about something when you buy. A Daydream, it wasn't a giveaway winner. It was a donation that was made to Anthony. Melania went under $1. Really, Anthony? God, I haven't been tracking it because I really don't care. But wow, there's a lot of people who lost big time on that Melania token. Big time. Oh, what's a Trump at? $12? I never sell. But do you spend? Do you trade? Do you tip? Do you share? That's what Dogecoin's for. Myrtle, just turn it into BTC. A swap. Yeah, right. Exactly. Now you got Mert thinking. Yeah, maybe. No, Matt. It just where you buy it, that's just the profit. If you bought 1,000,000 Dogecoin and Doge goes to $1, you have $1 million. Then you have $1 million, Matt. I love my ledger, Chad. I would buy it again. Yes. For those interested, I do have a link in the description below. If you want to check out the ledger, use my link. I do get a small little affiliate, little piece that Ledger gives me for promoting the Ledger product. But I only have affiliates for things that I actually use, like Coinbase I actually use, and Robinhood I actually use, Crypto.com I actually use. I'm not just shilling products as a an advertiser. You sold 69 Doge for $14, not even enough for a dozen eggs. But he needed those eggs. You can almost double. Oh, Anthony's doing a swing trade. I see what he's doing. He's doing a swing trade. Buyback, sold at what, 22, buyback at 11? Is that what you're doing? My wallet is posted in the description below, DW. That's my MyDoge wallet. If you would like to donate Dogecoin for a drawing, my wallet is in the description below. Now I'm just checking to make sure. Yes. There it is. I hadn't looked at that for a while. Yes. You're convinced that Bitcoin's going to $1 million? That's what Kathy Wood has been saying, $1 million. I've seen other people talking about it. $1 million of Bitcoin. I know that whole NFT thing in 2021, when that was huge, I was like, I'm not touching this. Didn't touch it. Now, all those people who bought those JPEGs are now like lost most of it. A few of them have survived, like the Pudgy Penguins, but man. $5 years possible? Nobody living on Mars in 5 years. That I don't think. Everyone will get it wrong, Mert. Nobody gets it right. We don't know what's going to happen. You can do a lucky guess, maybe. One Doge for me, one Doge for you. I don't think the open source has anything to do with it, Way. But if you like the Trezor, that's great. Doge will eventually pass $1 RR. What is the best exchange? Depends on where you live, Pedro. If you live in the United States, I mean, here's your choices. Coinbase, Robinhood, Crypto.com. Binance US says they're now going to be connecting to banks to allow fiat on and off now. They say it's happened. I didn't try it because I don't have money to send back to exchanges right now. And Binance US is just not up there for me. But if they say that you can do it now, maybe the liquidity is going to start ramping up on Binance US, and it's going to be a good exchange again here in the United States. But as of now, I'm not trading on it. Would Ledger not being open source make it safer? Maybe. If Dogecoin goes to $1, a Big Mac burger will be $500. You never know. Brian, I don't know what the price of Bored Apes are, but maybe. Maybe. I have no idea. And really, I don't care. It's just one of those things that just I can't waste my brain cells on Mars. I know a lot of Elon fans and Doge fans too are all like, Mars is going to be this great big thing. And I'm just like, I just can't get into it. What's up, CDC? How are you? CDC, the betting man. Yep. 50 people lacking on the like button. I know, right? They just came for the Dogecoin giveaway, and when it didn't happen, they left. All right, Kilmar. Not a dumb question. When the dollar value itself goes down, that does affect buying power, exchange rate. I mean, all of it, the price of everything. You would think that if the dollar value goes down, that prices would go down too. So we have to overcome that just on the market alone. Something like that. Yeah, all of the Dogecoin giveaways went through. Pedro, you got yours. The MyDoge app is such a great little app. Very easy to use. Okay, gang, this is where we are now. Oh, you watch VP, Raiden? My man. That was bold. That was a bold move. Hey, we'll be live tomorrow. We're going to talk Dogecoin. We're going to watch a SpaceX Starship launch. Always a good thing. Greg, thank you for the super chat. Appreciate it. Respect to you as well. Appreciate the support. All good. All good. So, yeah, good night, RR. See you, everybody else, tomorrow. We're going to have some fun. And, you know, a rocket, some people were upset. Why don't you just do crypto? Why are you watching a stupid rocket launch? And I was like, because it's a cool thing. I mean, what Elon is doing with SpaceX is a cool thing. So I will leave it at that. Again, tomorrow, have a video in the morning. We'll be live in the afternoon. We'll go for a while because I think the space launch is until like 6:30. So it'd be about this time tomorrow. So yeah, we'll go for a while tomorrow. It'll be fun on a Friday. So everyone get a good night's sleep. We'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.